Well, welcome to part 2 of my probably 3-part walkthrough. Oh yeah, let's go this side. Alright, here we go. This is a spoof off Lord of the Rings, by the way.
Why are you doing this?
Huh?
Man, why are you doing this?
Sorry, I need to go down. Oops, okay. Sorry, I had to answer Corey's thing. And he found out what to do. Now here is here another mob member who also looks like Ralph.
That's Mo. And that's supposed to be Otto.
What are you supposed to do again? I forgot how to do
Kill
this.
Otto!
Moving so slow.
Todd Flanders again.
Mo!
Oh, wait a second. I know there's a puzzle section. Oh, okay, see? I think since there's a crack there that you can homer ball through it. Oh, it's not. It's just a Marge tabloid. Boo! Why does Marge even like all this crap? Now, I know there's a puzzle. Otto. Oh, it's supposed to look like Otto. Destroy the bone spawn.
Kill Mo!
Okay. This is all distract. Okay, I'm out of homer ball crap. Or food. Oh, I need food. That's how I say food when I'm talking to my cats. There's Rod Flanders. I need food so I can... Oh, here we go. Food, 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 food. Alright, there. Oops, I didn't want to waste. No! No, there's some kind of puzzle. I forgot how to do it. Wait a second, it's not here. I think it's on the other. No, the other side is where we came in. Can you open this again? Oh yeah, you can. Sorry if this will take a while, so I'll just simulate because I like Narnia better. That's what Rod, Todd, or whoever. Wait, can you go through this door? Oh yeah, this is the puzzle. What you have to do
Owie! Everyone here sounds the same, so I can...
So yeah, you gotta stand on that with Homer. And command the mob to stand there.
Okay.
Do. That's what Homer actually says. Do! Gods. I found out how to do the puzzle. So what you gotta do, I'll show you what to do. So I got this part right. What you have to do is, okay, Todd's already been healed. Yeah, I was struggling on the puzzle, but I got it. You gotta get up here. Then, on the what?
Phillies.
Oh, Corey's playing MLB Dugout Heroes, so. Homer, stay there. Don't you gotta do a step here? And that rises Homer up like a boss. A 2D section, I think.
Peanut butter.
Yes.
Oh, the door's open.
The door. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, it is. So then I guess this door opens. Now it's time for everybody's favorite part of video games. It's actually one of my least. Legend of Zelda style levels or stealth sections. So anyway, what you gotta do is this is showing it from the above camera. It's supposed to be a stealth section, but it's almost impossible to... But anyway, it's like a labyrinth, because, you know, this is partway spoofed off. This part is partway Lord of the Rings, and it's partway parodied off Zelda. So they're using the Zelda camera here. Please be another mob member. Okay, no, it's just... So now I guess you gotta keep going through here. Homer Ball. Homer Ball kind of looks cool from above. Homer needs food badly. This is... The next level is Medal of Homer, which is my second favorite, or one of my favorite levels. Alright. No, come on, I need a key. Where's the key? Is it in one of these?
Look in there.
Sorry I wrongly simulated. But, yeah, I was down here destroying stuff when the video stopped, so I gotta try to get the key. It's gotta be somewhere. Key. No. Where the heck is the key? Hey, is the... Oh, you know what? That's where you're supposed to go. How did I do that? There's the key. I love these above. It's supposed to be like it's a spoof of Zelda. Oh, so I guess there we go. This is probably one of the longest levels in the game. Key. You can see lava. Just keep running. Make those I don't know things. Make those things chase you. Oh yeah, they were chasing me. Alright. Next part.